Good morning, my dear student. Today I am going to explain you your chapter number 1 from your textbook, that is Master State SSC Board Maths Part 1 Algebra. Now your first lesson is linear equation in two variables. Now first you try to understand what is linear equation in two variables. For that, consider equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. In this equation, x and y are two variables. Variables are generally denoted by small letter as a, b, c, d, mn, pq, xy and so on. Okay. Now, if you take certain values for x and find corresponding values of y, for example x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 3. Now substitute x is equal to 0 here, and therefore this term is 0, 4y is equal to 12, hence y is equal to 12 upon 4 is equal to 3. 0, 3 is called order pair. If you find more order pairs, at least 3, and plot these points on Cartesian system, and if you join these points, you will get straight line. Therefore, 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 represents a straight line. Hence, it is called linear equation. General form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where now these are what conditions for linear equation. So 1, a, b, c are real numbers and a and b are not 0 at the same time. That means if a is equal to 0, then b is not equal to 0, and if b is equal to 0, then a is not equal to 0. Okay. And the second condition is this: the terms containing variables have degree 1. Means this is a term containing variable, this is term containing variable. The degree of this term should be 1. Degree means power or index of variable. In 3x plus 4y is equal to 12, 3 is coefficient of x, 4 is coefficient of y, and 12 is a constant term. Index of x, so x is equal to x raised to 1, and index of y, y is equal to x raised to 1, and therefore degree is 1, and hence 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 is linear equation in two variables. Okay, so you understand what is linear equation and why it is called linear equation, because it represents a straight line. So for that I will take some examples from your activity. Okay, now your first activity, complete the following table. Okay, now there are 7 examples given, equations given. You have to decide whether these equations are linear equation in two variables or not. Okay, now first equation, 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. In this case 4 and 3 and 12 are real number. M raised to 1, n raised to 1, degree is 1, 1, and therefore this is a linear equation in two variable. Similarly, you take second example. Now this example you try to understand. 3x square minus 7y is equal to 13. Now here the variable x and y are there, that means two variables are there, but degree of x means this term is not equal to 1, that is 2, and therefore this equation is not a linear equation. Then third example, root 2x minus root 5y is equal to 16. Okay, root 2, root 5, 16 real numbers. Degree of this term and degree of this term is 1, and hence it is linear equation. Similarly, in question number 4, 0x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. So 0 is real, 6 is real, minus 3 is also real. Degree of this is 1, degree of this is 1, and hence it is linear equation into variable. Similarly this question. Okay, this is also linear equation. Now try to understand question number 6. Okay, now look here. Question number 6. 4 upon 6 plus 5 upon y is equal to 4. That means by law of indices 4, this x raised to minus 1. Keep what up? X raised to minus 1, and this is what 5 into y raised to minus 1. So minus 1 is the degree of variable x and minus 1 is the degree of variable y, and hence this equation is not linear equation. Okay, you understand this? Remember this is what important. So use what law of indices, and this take x you take up by what index minus 1. Question number 7. 4xy minus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. In this case, two variables are there, but the degree of xy is not equal to 1. Degree of x is equal to 1 and degree of y is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1, that means 2. So degree of this term is 2, and hence this is not a linear equation. Okay, so you understand, I think so. If you have any problem, you ask me. Now your second part is simultaneous equations. Now when you think about two linear equations in two variables at the same time, then the pair of equation is called simultaneous equation. So this is a general form of simultaneous equation. x1 a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, so how to solve this equation? Last year you have learned about it. So in next lecture I will explain you how to solve this equation by elimination method. Now in this year you have to learn some more methods of what finding the solution. Okay, now thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe, and put your comments in comment box. Okay, take care.